Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibrations on this Motorola. Begin with opening settings and clicking on sound section. Then scroll down and tap on vibrate for calls. Now just click on the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with the last one. Then click on the back button and scroll down. Over here you can set up vibrate in shortcut to prevent ringing by clicking on it. And then scroll all the way down. Now just click on the switches next to charging sounds and vibrations and touch vibrations to turn them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!